Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how I have automated a very simple task that we're often required to do, and that is a filtration of data. Now, as you can see in this given imaginary data set that I have, if I want to filter by each of the individual items in the or territory column, say for example, going by the very first item that is your Australia, and then once I have filtered the data set, I want to copy it and paste it in a new workbook like this, and then accordingly save this workbook in a given folder location, say for example over here. Now I need to repeat this step for each of the individual items that under your territory column. So in total I have a total of 12 items. Now obviously this task can be done manually, but in case if you have a large data set where the data is running into your 6,000 or 7,000 rows, and the number of items by which you want to filter by is also in your 100 or 200, then of course doing it manually can take up a lot of time. So I'll demonstrate what I have done is how to automate this work. So without further ado, I'll just show it to you. I'll go in this option that is create new workbook based on filtration. Now this is something that I've created at the backend of Excel. So once I click on it, it will ask me for the entire data set. So I'll just give it the entire data set. Next, it will ask me for the range to filter by. So the range that I want to filter by is your territory range. So I'll just select this entire set. Then accordingly, it will ask me to for the column number to filter by. So the column that I want to filter by is your territory, and that will be the number will be from your left. So 1, 2, and 3. So the territory is in third number. So number 3. Then it will ask me for the file location where I want to save all the new workbooks which are being created based on the filtration. So I'll just give it the folder location. And when you're giving the folder location, make sure that at the end you are also giving this symbol so that this will signify the end of the location. So once I have given all the inputs, it will start to filter the data out. Now this may take some time, but as you can see in the folder where I want to save all the new workbook, it has already started to create it, the new workbook based on filtration, and one by one is saving them as well. So for we have your report for Egypt, India, Australia, Italy, Japan, Spain, USA, and once it's done, it will also let me know. So yes, all the workbooks have been created in your 91.84 seconds. So let me just quickly check one of the workbooks to make sure that yes, it's done in accordance with my requirements. So for example, in your France, there are 3 items that needs to be filtered out. And if I go back to my original data set, then France, we have already 3 items. Similarly, for say for example, if I want to check India, in India we have got 3 items. So let me just refer back this to my original data set. So again, yes, it has done the work properly. So this is how you can automate the work of filtration in your data set. Now if you have guys, if you have liked this video, then obviously do let me know in the comments and share, press the like button. And if you want a detailed explanation on how I've created this macro at the back end of Excel, do let me know in the comments. I'll make an upcoming video where I'll show the code as well as how I'll explain how I have integrated this step into my Excel. Also, if you have any other situations which might be similar or different to this scenario, do let me know in the comments below so that I can come up with a solution in the upcoming videos.